Hello. Do you want to make money through crypto trading? Here is your answer. Emirati, your crypto coach as usual. We are here to share as usual. Yes, I told you, we have to give you the feedback. We have to show you what we have to share with you the results, okay? Every Monday morning. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? So, like I told you, we have two categories of signals. Yes, we have the signals which are in this format. Yes, they look like this. They are in that format. Are we together? So here we had shared 4% and it was out. And I'm going to show you another category of signal, how they look like. Another category of signal is this. Are we seeing them? So that's why we even have two lists of results. Okay, we have two lists of results, as I'm going to show you here down. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It is here. Oh, okay, it is here. The first list is here. You can be able to see the first list is here. And for it, every day we share two signals. Every day two signals. Every day two signals. And making a total of 14 signals a week. Are we together? So from there, you can see we have only two signals that are pending. Two signals that are pending. So two signals are pending, and we managed to make a total percent of 40%. Are we together? 40%. So that is category number one. And we have category number two, ladies and gentlemen. We can scroll and we look at it. This category that we have here, you can see that every day we can receive 6 signals. 6 signals every day. Then at the end of the day, I think you can be able to get 6 times 7. What do you get? So when you get 6 times 7, okay, I'm talking about 6 signals that I give. Then 7, it is 7 days. You get 42 signals. Okay, 42 signals. Out of 42, yes, we can be able to see down here. Yes, we managed to make 109%. 109%. And these last two ones, they are out already. The 4 ones. Solana sold, City, and Aero SK also sold. So we are around 118. So if you get 118 plus 40, the other 40, we get 158%. Can you imagine making 158% just within a week? I know most of you are in floating loss. You're not making money. You are not making money because of the strategies you are using. Okay, it's up to you to change your mind and learn how you can easily make this money. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, another thing that we need to share here, I would like to share with you something here. Okay, let me see. Okay, like that. So let me choose one coin. I want to show you something, guys. Wake up. You need to wake up. You need to wake up. I'm telling you. Okay, let's go. Now, let me remove the indicators. Get out. You so get out. Now, this is a coin. Yes, it is called XAI. XAI. Now, I told you guys, before you do anything, first know which trend is this. First identify the trend. Are we together? Now, this was our downtrend from here. You can see how market has been dropping down from here all the way up to down. Are we together? Up to down. Now, what are we waiting? We want the market to change the structure. Now, if you look at this point, you could see the market trying to move up. But though it was moving up, it never changed the structure. It never changed the structure. Though for us, we keep getting where to trade and we trade. Are you seeing? Here we traded it 3 times. And again, here we traded it 2 times. Are you seeing? We are following it here. We traded it today and it is already out. Now, here, we could look at these equal lows here, here, and here. We draw line. We draw line, ladies and gentlemen. Put line like this. Do it like this. Call this one demand. Where is it? Call it demand. 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 Okay. Or we can call it demand zone. This is our demand zone. The reason why it is demand zone, this was our low. And this is another low. But it is at the same level. It means it is equal lows. Equal lows. Equal lows. Whenever you see this market failing to break the previous low, automatically that's a change of character. Now, when we look at this point here, it was our lower high. But you can see this market dropping down and failing to break the previous low, which was at that point. Therefore, we consider that as the higher low when, rather, after market failing to break the previous low. Are we together? So, another thing that we need to understand here, we can see this point, it is above this. Remember I told you, when you are drawing line, we consider the body, we don't consider wick. Hey, now I'm going to show you. When we are drawing line, we are going to consider this. This was the blue line, it was our lower high at this point here. But this one here, it is high because it is above this line. Hope I'm making sense. Therefore, we have, let me write, this is our lower high, lower, then high. Okay, lower, then high. Where is it? Okay, it is here. That is our lower high. That means this is our first high. It is our first high. This one. High. It is our first high. Where is it? Banang. So you are not writing. Why are you like that? Please behave well. Higher. High. Hey, all along you are here. Oh, how can I remove it? Okay. I'll see what to do. I'll first delete this. Then after I write. I see. We write. This is higher. High. High. Okay. Since this one is higher high, it means this one is higher low. That's how you identify the market. After identifying the market, you can get where to enter from. You can see for us we entered here. For us we entered here. What's wrong with this? We entered here. We entered at this point because it was sure deal. After forming the high, the market has to come back and form higher low. By forming higher low, we entered here and we automatically get our 3%. So you could take more than 3%. For example, here you could look at 7%. But for us, we want to be safe and secure. Are we together, guys? Now, from there, you could see this market now breaking this level. Breaking this level. That means change of character, or what we call choke, change of character. We can see now market again touching the same area, which is demand zone. Are we together? Now, for you guys who want to earn, hey, you want to take 30% from a coin, you want to take 20% from a coin, you want to make 25% from a coin, you want to make 40% from a coin. Here, the lesson is yours. And remember, don't forget that we can teach you this as long as you contact us. Our number is there in the description of this video. You can go there and get our WhatsApp number. Reach us and we teach you how you can make money through crypto trading. Yes, we teach you how to analyze market. We teach you how to use the robot, and definitely you can make money. Why not? So, therefore, if we want to get these percentages from one signal, now, for you, always wait for market to form what we call the discount level, or what we call the demand zone. Okay? After forming demand zone, ladies and gentlemen, even though the market will be heading to the supply level at the top here, but for you, even though you don't reach there, enter at the demand zone, targeting quarter or halfway of the distance from discount level to the supply level. For example, you entered here. You are looking at, remember, you are looking at 25% or 30. Do you think it is far? It is just near here. 30% is here. Can you imagine? Now, you can take like 3 to 1 week. 3 to 1 week. 3 to 1 week. But you can collect this percentage. I will always give you such a signals. Yes, for those who are following me and for those who are in my group, okay? I'll always give you such a signals and we kill the market. Why not? You get a point. So assume you have used here your 500 and you got another coin, again you put 500. You get another one, you put 500. You get another one, you put 500. And with 500, you are making 30% from each coin. Now, what is 30% times 4? What is 30% times 4? That is 120%. Therefore, if you had invested $2,000, these are 2,000. If you add them together, and now we want to see what is 120% of 2,000. Let's go to calculator and we see. So when we go to calc, let's go here. We get our, it is 120% of 2,000. How much is that? Guys, you are missing out. How many of you can make this money within a week? How many of you can make $2,400 using 2,000 within a week? How many of you can make it? Yes, how many of you? Hey! We do this out of experience. We don't just do it because we do it out of experience. We know what we are doing, and we believe that it can work. Alongside your real trading, that your real signals that you trade every day, that we give every day, have another project of making 100% of your capital before month ends. What are you? Do you want money? Here, the strategy, it can definitely make for you money. It's a matter of understanding it. You learn, you kill the market. Why not? Are we together? Now, when you go back to markets, now we're here. We are here now. You can see here, we see market trying to come back at this point here. But again, it forms a new high at this point here. New higher high. Remember, whenever this market forms a new higher high, it will always come back. It will always retrace. But here we had a broke. We had a broker here. At this point, we have broke. So we entered here because of this block. We entered this signal because of this block. Even though we are not targeting the highest level here, but for us at least we are out. We will always take 30%, Simani 20%, Simani 25% when the market is completely down, and there we can enjoy the biggest percentage. But at this point, we can always take the 30%, rather the 3%, 2%, 5%, and 10%. You get the point? Otherwise, guys, let's keep pushing, and I believe market is still sweet. Hey, it's a matter of getting where to enter from. I think another one. Which one? Let me see the one I shared with you. It is this one. It is called Nail. Our take profit was 4%, and you can see that we are already out. Are you getting it? We are already out. And when you check in the group, I've already told them, congratulations. So we entered it. So assume that you entered it from here. Let us assume you entered it from here and you were looking your 30%. Can you imagine? Just within 1, 2, 3 days. Oh my God, you are out. 30%, 50%. You can see now. Here it is 40. Our 30 is here. Can you imagine? Do you think you take long? Your project is done. Can you imagine? That is 30%, and we entered here at discount level. We are done. Are you there? Ready as usual, guys. I will always come and take you through slowly as we are learning, as we are killing the market. Why not? Yes, are we looking at this point now? Yes. Are you seeing? Here was congratulating them that the 4% is done. So I always give them feedback. I always post whenever we sell out. Are we getting the point? Can you look at this? This was another signal. City sold out. This was another one. It is called Solana sold out. Are you getting the point? I have to update my team to let them know that this signal, it's no longer running. It is already out. So I give signal, and again I give them the results. Are we together? So that's how we normally make it, and we are still pushing. If you believe that you can change your life as well through crypto trading, definitely we are here to take you through and to help you, as long as you are ready to change your life. Crypto trading needs patience. Okay? You have to wait. Don't be too greedy. Always take profit, and you will enjoy the market. Don't chase the market. If the market is too high and you can see that you don't have the supports and resistance, leave that market. Hey, don't chase the market. Don't chase the market, ladies and gentlemen. Otherwise, I really wish you the best and I love you so much. For more information, the number is in the description of this video. Use it and you can contact us. We talk more about the business. I love you so much. I sign out.